Welcome to Nuance. You'll explore ideas, emotions, and possibilities. Your English now carries weight and style. I might go out tonight.
I might go out tonight.
She may be tired.
She may be tired.
He must be busy.
He must be busy.
They can't be serious.
They can't be serious.
We should have called earlier.
We should have called earlier.
I would travel if I had money.
I would travel if I had money.
If she studies, she will pass.
If she studies, she will pass.
If it rains, we'll stay home.
If it rains, we'll stay home.
I wish I had more time.
I wish I had more time.
She wishes she were taller.
She wishes she were taller.
He said he was sick.
He said he was sick.
They told me to wait.
They told me to wait.
We asked her to help.
We asked her to help.
I've been working all day.
I've been working all day.
She's been studying for hours.
She's been studying for hours.
We've been waiting since noon.
We've been waiting since noon.
They've been living here for years.
They've been living here for years.
I had already left.
I had already left.
She had finished before dinner.
She had finished before dinner.
We had seen it before.
We had seen it before.
They had gone home.
They had gone home.
I will have arrived by 6.
I will have arrived by 6.
She will have finished soon.
She will have finished soon.
We will have eaten.
We will have eaten.
They will have left.
They will have left.
I enjoy learning languages.
I enjoy learning languages.
She avoids talking too much.
She avoids talking too much.
We miss traveling.
We miss traveling.
They love exploring new places.
They love exploring new places.
I prefer working alone.
I prefer working alone.
You've learned to think in English. You've shaped your voice. Now, let's sharpen it with precision and power. This is the level of subtlety. You'll persuade, reflect, and challenge. Your words now carry emotion and depth. I wish I had known earlier.
I wish I had known earlier.
She regrets not speaking up.
She regrets not speaking up.
We should have tried harder.
We should have tried harder.
They could have helped.
They could have helped.
I would have gone if I'd known.
I would have gone if I'd known.
If only I had listened.
If only I had listened.
She might have misunderstood.
She might have misunderstood.
He must have forgotten.
He must have forgotten.
We might be wrong.
We might be wrong.
They must be joking.
They must be joking.
I believe this is unfair.
I believe this is unfair.
She argues that it's necessary.
She argues that it's necessary.
We suggest a better solution.
We suggest a better solution.
They recommend waiting.
They recommend waiting.
I'm not convinced.
I'm not convinced.
She's absolutely certain.
She's absolutely certain.
We're deeply concerned.
We're deeply concerned.
They're clearly confused.
They're clearly confused.
I appreciate your honesty.
I appreciate your honesty.
She values kindness.
She values kindness.
We admire courage.
We admire courage.
They respect tradition.
They respect tradition.
I'm aware of the risks.
I'm aware of the risks.
She's capable of more.
She's capable of more.
We're committed to change.
We're committed to change.
They're focused on results.
They're focused on results.
I tend to overthink.
I tend to overthink.
She happens to know him.
She happens to know him.
We managed to finish.
We managed to finish.
They failed to respond.
They failed to respond.
You've become a storyteller, a thinker, a leader in language. Let's refine your tone and stretch your reach. Welcome to mastery. You speak with elegance, clarity, and control. English is now your second soul. I would argue that truth is relative.
I would argue that truth is relative.
She appears to be reconsidering.
She appears to be reconsidering.
We seem to have reached a consensus.
We seem to have reached a consensus.
They claim it's impossible.
They claim it's impossible.
I'm inclined to agree.
I'm inclined to agree.
She's unlikely to change her mind.
She's unlikely to change her mind.
We're bound to face challenges.
We're bound to face challenges.
They're expected to deliver results.
They're expected to deliver results.
I've come to understand the nuance.
I've come to understand the nuance.
She's grown accustomed to silence.
She's grown accustomed to silence.
We've learned to adapt.
We've learned to adapt.
They've mastered the technique.
They've mastered the technique.
I find it profoundly moving.
I find it profoundly moving.
She considers it a breakthrough.
She considers it a breakthrough.
We regard this as essential.
We regard this as essential.
They interpret it differently.
They interpret it differently.
I'm struck by the irony.
I'm struck by the irony.
She's overwhelmed with emotion.
She's overwhelmed with emotion.
We're navigating uncertainty.
We're navigating uncertainty.
They're embracing complexity.
They're embracing complexity.
I'd rather not speculate.
I'd rather not speculate.
She'd prefer a direct answer.
She'd prefer a direct answer.
We'd like to clarify our position.
We'd like to clarify our position.
They'd better reconsider.
They'd better reconsider.
I'm not entirely convinced.
I'm not entirely convinced.
She's cautiously optimistic.
She's cautiously optimistic.
We're deeply invested.
We're deeply invested.
They're intellectually curious.
They're intellectually curious.
I resonate with that idea.
I resonate with that idea.
You've reached the summit, but language is a living thing. Keep exploring. Keep evolving. Keep inspiring.